Project6 here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about how much you can expect to pay if you're looking to PLASTIDIP your car yourself. First things first, guys, before we hop into the video, if you have not already, go ahead and click the top link down in the description and go get entered into the giveaway we are doing. The giveaway will be ending on the 20th of December. So when you guys see this, you're not going to have too much more time to get entered in. Right now, we've got about 30 people, I think, that are entered in to win. So you got a pretty good chance of winning if you do get yourself entered. But go check that out. It's pretty simple, really straightforward to get yourself entered in to win some free stuff. I will also say I am not sponsored by Dip Your Car by any means, but if you guys want, go check them out. It is dipyourcar.com. You know, just search them up. You can check them out on Instagram. They got a lot of cool pictures and a lot of cool colors that are on cars. So if you guys are looking to PLASTIDIP your car, you can go check them out and see what it may look like on your car. Getting right into things here, guys. Basically what Dip Your Car does is they put together car kits that are available so you can dip your car completely yourself. And they have car kits that are based on the size of your vehicle. So, you know, if you have a super small sedan to like a sports car coupe, or, you know, a big truck, a big van, whatever it is that you have, they will have a car kit that is designed for that size. Now, I will say a general rule of thumb that I have came across, and, you know, I did some research and a lot of people would agree with me here, is you're going to want to get yourself another gallon of color. So however many gallons for your car kit, pick yourself up at least one more. You can always practice with that first. You know, you can spray some of that, spray an area, and see how it does. But I would definitely get yourself another gallon of whatever color you're getting. So this, guys, is going to be based on the PLASTIDIP today, their value. It may not be exactly the same amount that I spent on my car, but it's going to be a pretty good estimate as to how much you can expect to pay if you do want to PLASTIDIP the car yourself. They have their car kits, like I said. They're designed for the size, and I got a medium car kit with the sprayer. Also, I selected upgraded for the sprayer, which if you're doing it yourself and you don't have a sprayer, you're going to want to get one of those. And the cost for the car kit today with the sprayer is $682.13. Now, if you get the car kit, I believe it comes with majority of the stuff that I'm about to say. But I know you can upgrade to the Plus, and the Plus package will come with some more stuff for you. So if you get the car kit and you upgrade to the Plus, that will add like another $60-something onto the price of the car. And I believe that's where my number comes from, with the $682.13. You upgrade with the Plus package, that will get you the car kit, so, you know, all your gallons. It will get you a pre-dip spray, and that is used to clean right before you're about to spray the car, just to get all the oils off and stuff. It'll come with all your masking tape. It'll come with masking tape and drape, so to cover glass, windows, big areas of the car. It will come with a microfiber towel. It will come with a wash mitt. It'll come with the filters, so you can pour the paint through in order to filter it out. And that will also come with canvas wheel covers, so you don't get any overspray on your wheels. Now, that is going to run you, like I said, $682.13. If you have a location that you can PLASTIDIP your car in and you don't want to do this next step, then, you know, you can just go ahead and omit this here. But I did not have a location that I could just PLASTIDIP the car in, so I had to buy a portable garage. I spent $120 on the car canopy itself. Now, my plan with that was to make a portable booth, basically. So what I did is I went to Lowe's and I bought a bunch of plastic drop, you know, to cover flooring if you were painting, or, you know, a walkway or couches or whatever you would use it for. I bought that and a crap ton of duct tape, and I bought a lot of the drop too. So all that stuff, all the materials that I had to buy on top of what was already provided, cost me about another $150, give or take. You know, like I said, if you guys don't want to do the portable garage route, I would still advise picking up some more masking tape and probably some more tape and drape. So you're still going to spend probably about $40 to $50 in that area. But, you know, I had to buy a lot of this because I went over the top and made a completely clear paint booth. About $150 is what I spent there. $120 on the portable garage. I bought a 10 by 20 foot portable garage, and that seemed to work perfectly fine with me. So it's a good option if you guys, you know, don't have a location to spray, or you want to spray outside and you don't want to worry about wind too much, or you know, whatever it is that will fit your needs. Another thing that I really didn't have to buy, but I knew I wanted to, and it actually just came out right after I purchased the car kit, and it was their dip armor. Now, if you guys don't know anything about dip armor, feel free to go check out Dip Your Car's YouTube or their Instagram or their website. You can see a full description as to what it is, what it does, and how to use it. Well, basically, the general consensus of what it does is it's going to make the dip armor, or the PLASTIDIP, it's going to make it a little bit more rich, a little bit more saturated. It's going to make it scratch resistant, fuel resistant, and stain resistant. I mean, basically, you can pour gasoline all over my car right now, paint thinner, and nothing will happen to it. So I knew that when it came out, that was something that I wanted, and that was another $231.08. And actually, I believe when I ordered it, it was more expensive than that. So it looks like it's came down in price a little bit. I think it was like $270 when I ordered it. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be, you know, the amount that you guys can expect to spend for PLASTIDIP. You know, the extra gallon I think was another $30, so you can add $30 onto that price. With everything taken into consideration, if you want to use dip armor, if you're getting a portable garage and you're going to buy an extra gallon of PLASTIDIP, you're looking at about the $1,200 mark to PLASTIDIP your car yourself. Now, that may seem like a lot of money, but when you take a step back and you look at what your other options are, I think it's a great deal. I don't know what going rates are for wrap jobs in your guys' area, but I know to wrap a car in my area, you know, depending on the product that you're going to use, the type of wrap, you're going to spend anywhere from $300 to $700 on the wrap material itself, and then you're looking at $1,500 to $2,000 to wrap the car from a company. Now, if you do it yourself, you're going to be probably right around the same price range as PLASTIDIPing a car. But you know, if you're talking about your own time, it's going to take a lot longer to wrap a car than it will to PLASTIDIP a car. And the only reason I say that is because in order to get a good wrap job, you have to take everything off the car. You know, you're going to want to take your handles off, your mirrors off, any trim pieces, spoilers. You're going to want to take all that off in order to get a good wrap job. That is going to be very pricey. You know, if you're not paying for it to have someone do it, you're going to pay for it yourself. If you're looking to repaint a whole vehicle, if you want a permanent option, then yeah, by all means, you know, go ahead and paint your vehicle. But you're going to spend a absolute boatload of money on painting a vehicle as opposed to just PLASTIDIPing a vehicle, if that's what your options were. Again, wrapping, you know, it's a good alternative, and it's definitely a great option that is out there. But in my opinion, for the amount of work that goes into that and the quality that you can get with PLASTIDIPing for the price that you can get from PLASTIDIPing, I think it's kind of a no-brainer. You know, I'll go into another video at another time and kind of describe, in my opinion, what the pros and cons are of each one. But I think PLASTIDIP is a great option considering all the other options that are on the table. You know, so I have a whole car that is PLASTIDIPed and protected for right about $1,200. So, you know, give or take $300 on materials and a portable garage. You know, if you don't want to do the dip armor, then, you know, it'll be a little bit less than that. So I would say, you know, just price things out in your head. You know, you're going to need a bunch of masking tape. You know, you're going to need stuff to clean it before. I would just opt with the car kit from Dip Your Car, completely upgrade that, get yourself the nice sprayer, get all the filters, the masking tape, get all that stuff from Dip Your Car, and that's probably going to be your biggest running cost. And then if you have a booth that you want to go in, go ahead and purchase that stuff. Like I said, for $1,200, even if we went from the price range of $1,000 to $1,300, even $900 to $1,300, that is still a very, very, very good price for what you can get from the car. So I think that is going to wrap up today's video, guys. I just wanted to do a quick little update on the pricing. I know I never talked about it, but a lot of people had been asking me about it, and I feel like it was a video that needed to be made. So if you guys all enjoyed the video and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell for those notifications. If you have not already, hit the thumbs up if you really enjoyed. Make sure you get entered into the giveaway to win some free stuff. And as always, guys, peace out.